Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Troy Bilt Pony drive belt, the UDC Parts 9540540, 9540241A upper drive belt. If you own a Troy Bilt, Craftsman, MTD, Cub Cadet, or Husky lawnmower, you know how important it is to keep your equipment running smoothly. And if you're looking to replace your upper drive belt, this one's a fantastic option. This belt is constructed with durable aramid cord, making it heat-resistant and perfect for withstanding the high temperatures that come with lawn and garden equipment. It measures 35.25 inches in length and 0.65 inches in width, ensuring a perfect fit for many popular lawnmower models. The belt is designed for use with models like the Troy Bilt Pony, Craftsman T110, Cub Cadet, Husky, and more. Why choose the UDC Parts 9540540? First, it's engineered for longevity. This belt can handle extreme wear and tear, ensuring that your mower's drive system performs consistently over time. It's also a great value for your money, offering long-lasting performance without the need for constant replacements. Whether you're cutting grass in your backyard or working on a larger lawn, this belt provides a smooth, efficient operation. Another reason this belt stands out is its compatibility with a wide range of models. For Troy Bilt, it works with various models, including the TB30, TB42, and the Pony 42 inches series, as well as several Craftsman models like the R110 and T110. Plus, it fits many Cub Cadet and Husky lawn tractors, making it an ideal replacement for a variety of brands. The UDC Parts 9540540 upper drive belt is easy to install, saving you time and effort when replacing your old, worn-out belt. And with its high-quality construction, you won't have to worry about it breaking down in the middle of a mowing session. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable, high-performance replacement belt for your Troy Bilt, Craftsman, Cub Cadet, or Husky lawnmower, the UDC Parts 9540540 is the best choice. With its durable construction and wide compatibility, it's sure to keep your mower running at its best. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.